Welcome back to Chalkboard SEO. In our last class, you met hashtag and tag. You know who they are and where they go. But the shopkeepers still had one big question. How do we choose the best ones? And how many should we use? The robot detective knew it was time for the advanced lesson, the secret formula. And stick around until the very end, because I'm going to reveal the ultimate treasure map that shows you the impact of hashtags on every major platform. This is the cheat sheet that will save you hours of work. It's a game changer. The first secret of the formula is about quality. Using a huge popular hashtag like marketing is like shouting in a packed stadium. No one will notice you. But a small specific sign like SEO tips for bakers is like whispering a secret in the ear of the exact person who needs to hear it. It's less crowded, and that's where you'll find your perfect audience. The second secret is quantity. As we learned in our last class, for your public signs, your hashtags, less is more. Use just 3 to 5 focused signs to tell everyone exactly what your topic is. If you use 50, you're just making noise. But how do you find these secret, specific signs and notes? The detective revealed his final tool, the genie. He taught them the magic words. To find the best public signs, just ask, "Give me 5 relevant hashtags for a video about your topic." And to find the best secret notes for the robot, just ask, "Give me an exhaustive list of tags, synonyms, and related concepts for a video about your topic." Just like that, the genie would give them the perfect words for free. With the lesson almost over, the detective shared one final top-secret clue just for YouTube. The priority note. When you give me your list of secret notes in the YouTube tags section, I always read the first few with extra attention. Make them count. And now, as promised, here is the treasure map that will help you use hashtags efficiently on every platform. You are now a master of hashtags and tags. If this advanced class was helpful, subscribe for our next lesson, where we'll solve another big SEO mystery. See you in class.